In this video, we'll be showing you how to password protect your event or product group. First, log in as an administrator. Then from the main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and then select Edit from the Manage menu of the relevant event. Scroll down until you reach the event password field. Enter your own password for the event. It will need to have a minimum length of 5 characters, a maximum length of 20 characters, and it is not case sensitive. Then click on the Update Event button. Once entered, you can send the password to relevant customers. You will be able to view which events or product groups are password protected from the Events admin page. On the shop page, products for those events cannot be viewed unless the password has been entered into the field provided. If using a shared browser, we recommend that the field will be cleared once the products have been accessed. If you would like to remove the password at any point, simply return to the Edit page, delete the password, and click on the Update Event button. And that's it, you now know how to password protect your event or product group. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.